Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. Today I have a journal I want to share with you. This was a design team project I did for Fifi the Papercrafter. This is called the Fall Field Notes Journal. I got my planner here. Just needed a couple of things to get ready for it, so I wrote down everything I thought I might want to use. Measures 8 3/4 by 6. It has a fabric cover, and the inside of it is one of these envelopes. Now this measures 13.5 by 10. All I did was cut an inch or like 1.25 off the side, and then when it folded up, it made the cover. So I also used, I had my fabric, of course. I had a layer of cotton batting, and then I had my envelope. Then on the inside I had cardstock, so it would be smooth, and another layer of fabric on the inside. So this is what it looks like. I've done the elastics for the binding, and I've got an elastic closure here. This owl is just a, I can't even remember where I got this. I wish I did. I'd get some more. But I had it, and I rusted it up, and then I used Tim Holtz mica sprays on it. And then I sprayed it with a sealer. This is just cheesecloth. I got some corrugated cardboard I cut in like a tag shape. This is hollow on the inside, so I hot glued in tin foil so I could make it all flat on the back so it would glue down. And this is a little piece of a twig I got from outside. Up here I just sewed a little tab. I attached a bulb pin with a Tree of Life charm, and then there's a flower charm. And to do this I used alcohol ink to color them. Otherwise they were the bright gold like that right there. So this will give you a better idea of the fabric that I used. I thought that was really pretty, be great for this journal. So we'll go on the inside. I just did a little side tuck pocket over here. I got a couple of pieces of tea stain paper. This is our first signature here. And I've got a pocket and a bingo card. These were both in the kit. And then this is some, there's some different poems and stuff that came in last month's Your Creative Studio box. But it's like pertains to outdoors and woodlands and stuff like that. So I put that in there. There's a few more throughout the book as well. Put some little fabric tabs on here every once in a while. Got a little collage here. Have a little envelope here, and with the tag. And you can't see it very well, and I may redo it. But there's a leaf in there that is covered with the Tim Holtz mica sprays. Geez, oh Pete's can't find my words today. And I just put some tracing paper over top of it, put a little tag on the top, or tab I mean, and that goes in that bucket. Got a few little stickers in here and there. This is another one of the leaves that I did. That's just clipped on the side. You can use it wherever. Got a little pocket here that's held on with that paper clip from the other side, and I just have a little tag that's inside there. This is just a sticker on a little envelope that I had. This is a page from the kit, and here's a smaller one of a Tree of Life charms. Did a little bit of stamping in here. I have a pocket here, and inside I have one of the tags from the kit. They're all backed and sewn. And then this is This was actually from Tim Holtz Field Notes ephemera pack there, that's in there. This envelope here is made from, let me grab it, sorry about my arm. One of these envelopes that I got from Craftspire to try. I love these envelopes. I love the way they feel, but I cut it in half and it made the perfect little size for a pocket. So that's what I've used there for that pocket. A pretty deer there. I have a little flip and a tag. Another little bit of collage here. A couple of stickers. Another little fabric tab. Little mushroom stickers there. This is the middle. You can see I used the elastics for my binding, and I did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, but I did it from the outside in, so there wasn't too many strings hanging around here in the middle with elastic. Did a little side pocket here made out of a file folder. Got another one of those little poems and a couple pages of squirrel notebook paper. Another charm there. A little leaf sticker. A really pretty back side of that page. Here's another one of those envelopes. I did some stamping. I added some die cuts and a stamp and a little piece of fabric. And here is another tag from the kit. And another one of those poems there. These little circle embellishments, those are part of the kit as well. Fifi makes lovely, lovely kits. And lots of little things to use inside of them. This is just a sticker there. Another paper tab. A little acorn sticker. Here's another one of those envelopes. This is from Tim Holtz, and this is another tag from the kit. Just did a little bit of collage on the front of this envelope here. Little stamp. There's 3 more of those embellishments. They're really pretty. Little squirrel stamp. Got another one of those pockets here. This is a wood cutout. There's 2 of them in here. There's the squirrel here. I covered this with paper and then I just decoupaged over the top of them. I thought that gave it a nice little look, and of course I cut the string off. And we got a journaling card from the kit. And this little squirrel papers here I just taped together to make a little booklet out of. That's the first signature. Then you know, if you're field notes, you gotta have a folder. So I made a folder from my one of my hanging file folders. It measures 8 1/4 by 5 1/4. I sewed a little tab on here. These are from the kit as well. I just backed them onto a piece of card, and I colored in the green on here. This is just the back of an old music book here, a music sheet music book on there. I just kind of ripped it up. This is from the kit. I did pockets on both sides. In this pocket, I've got some flower pages from a book that I have, and I just put some stamps, kind of clustered them up there. And then this, I just used one of these. I don't know what it is. Oh, there, I hear it. There it is. One of these paper fasteners. These I rusted, and I just used that to put a little notebook in here. And there's some pages here from a bird book. Just got a couple of those embellishments and a sticker on there. Here's our second signature. Got another those embellishments on there. Have a pocket here with a little collage. Another card from the kit. Stickers. Another envelope flip with a bingo card from the kit. Another tab with a charm on it. Some more stickers. Stamping. Another one of the envelopes. Card from journaling card from the kit, and a water lilies poem. This is going behind the envelope. I just glued it on 3 sides, so there was an extra pocket there, and then the card goes inside the envelope actually. It's just a little flower I made, a little stamping there. Got another fabric tab, a little squirrel stamp. Have up here envelope that flips with a little tag in it. And here I just stamped a mushroom on there. Collage, another element from the kit. Got another fabric tab with the charm. Little baby postcard and a little piece of fabric. Another envelope here with a journaling card. These are from, this is from Tim Holtz Field Notes Ephemera. These cutouts right there. Beautiful page from the kit, put right in the middle. Love that dragonfly, so pretty. Got a pocket over here, got another one of the poems, another one of the cards from the kit. Just did a little collage on here, little die cut I put on there. Squirrel stamp, envelope flip with the bingo card. Little mushroom stamp, another envelope flip up, and there's a tab there. Got a little sticker down here. Here we've got the back to the other page with these beautiful, beautiful, that moose and that deer and that owl, and there's a little squirrel up there too. This is just a little side tuck pocket I made from my file folder. And here's the moose, which was this, and I did the same with him. Got some little squirrel notebook paper in this pocket too, little die cut. Collage, envelope with a journaling card in it. There's a sticker, got a squirrel stamp. Pocket here just made out of book page on this one, and another journaling card with the deer and the moose on it. And that's our last page. Got my library card in here. I finished it today, and this is another little side tuck as well. So there you go. Here's the fabric on the inside. That was really pretty. It went well with our fabric on the outside. So there it is, our Fall Field Notes journal, and I hope you like it, and thank you for stopping by today, and any are my subscribers, thank you very much for staying with me, and any new people having a look, if you like what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and then you'll know every time I put out videos. And I will have the link to Fifi's, all her information, Etsy store, Facebook page, and that'll all be down below along with my, my email address. And this journal is for sale, so all you need to do is shoot me an email and we'll talk. Alright everybody, thanks so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great night, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.